Bato de la Rosa may warrant ng ICC.
Go ahead, make my day, Mr. Trillanes! Sabihan mo, sige ka lang ngak dyan ng ICC. Sige, go ahead. Kahit sumama ka pa, mag-serve ng warrant. Sumama ka, ikaw mismo magpusa sa akin.
Ayan ang sinabi ni dating PNP chief, sinasabing architect ng war on drugs ni Duterte at Senator Bato de la Rosa nung sinabi ni dating Senador Antonio Trillanes IV na the day of reckoning is near. Tapos na ang maliligayang araw ng mga Duterte at kasosyo nito. Magugulat ka tuloy. Bakit parang ang lakas ng loob niya?
Pero yung mga hindi nag-cooperate, baka within the next few days o weeks, may issuehan na sila ng blue notice ng Interpol or yung blue diffusion na tinatawag nila, diffusion. Kasi nga, yung sila Bato, Duterte, Sara Bongo, and ano sila primary suspect sila Hindi na sila kailangan bigyan ng pagkakataon na mag-cooperate kasi sila yung mga principals na akusahan.
But, you have to understand first na ibang-iba ang political environment noong May 2024 sa ngayon. Of course, meron ng mga ugong-ugong na maghihiwalay na ang unity tulad ng whatever their freaking quarrel is even about. Stemming from Martin Romualdez and by extension, Bongbong Marcos. The couple we failed to protect and the couple we failed to fail. So kung isipin natin, supported by everything Marcos has said up to that point na hindi niya papapasukin ng ICC sa Pilipinas, Senator Bato de la Rosa did not think na hahantong ang lahat sa pagpapalipad kay Tatay Diggs papuntang The Hague, the Netherlands. Tapos magugulat ka na lang biglang baliko kasi ang sabi, commitment daw ng Pilipinas yan sa Interpol. So technically, nakapagtulungan sila sa Interpol, hindi sa ICC.
Mr. Duterte was arrested in compliance with our commitments to Interpol. Hours before his arrival, Interpol Manila received an official copy of the ICC warrant. This prompted the Prosecutor General of the Department of Justice to serve the warrant.
Palaging sinasabi ni President Marcos,